Chicken green masala. Base ingredient is curry leaf, that is kadi patta. Let's begin. In a kadai, I am taking some oil, about 2 tablespoons. Now let's roast masalas in oil. I am taking black pepper, cloves, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, and nutmeg, coriander seeds. Now we'll add cumin and mustard seeds. Let's mix this all together and roast it. Now we'll be adding the main ingredient, that is curry leaf. I'm taking about a big size bowl of curry leaf. So you can imagine this would be around 100 to 150 grams. Let's mix this. We have to roast this all nicely till it gets crisp. Now we'll add turmeric, that is 1 tablespoon. Give it a mix. Let's roast this until leaves get crispy. This looks ready now. Let's grind it. To this I will add 4 green chilies, and fresh coriander leaves. I'm adding some water so that we get a nice paste. Let's grind this. Now the paste is ready. You can see this is the consistency that we are looking at. Now let's begin with the preparation. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil in the kadai. Let's heat it. Now I'll add some mustard seeds. Let this pop. Some curry leaf, roughly chopped. Let's roast this a little bit. Now I'm adding finely chopped ginger and garlic. Now let's add onion to it. I have taken 2 large sized onions. Let's mix this. We need to roast this until it gets golden brown. Now let's add tomatoes. I have finely chopped 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Let's mix this all nicely. I'll be adding salt at this time. You can add as per your taste. Let's cook it for a couple of minutes. Now I'll be adding chicken. I have taken about 1.5 kg chicken. Let's mix this. We have to slightly simmer it with all the onions and tomato masala that we have been roasting. Now to this, after mixing well, I'll squeeze half lemon. Some salt as per your taste. And I'll add turmeric powder, that is 1 tablespoon. Let's mix this all nicely and let it cook for some time. Now to this we will add the curry leaf paste that we had made and mix the chicken with all the paste. Mix it well so that all the chicken pieces absorb the flavor of the curry leaf paste that we had made. Now we have to leave the chicken to cook in the gravy and let's wait for 15 minutes. Well, the gravy has boiled and chicken has cooked properly. It's ready to be served now. You can see this is the consistency that I have kept so that we can eat it with rice. So friends, it's ready. A very simple chicken recipe from curry leaf. I'm going to enjoy it with jeera rice. Hope you liked the recipe. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.